Morning, students of class 3. Students, I hope all of you are happy and healthy in your homes. Students, today I'm going to continue with lesson 5, Jack and the Beanstalk. So, those of you who have got the new edition of Wordsworth English Reader book, please take out your books and turn to page number 43, lesson 5, Jack and the Beanstalk. Lesson 5, Jack and the Beanstalk, page number 43. Students, today I'm going to continue with lesson 5, Jack and the Beanstalk. First of all, I'll read the lesson to you, then I'll explain it. So let's start with lesson 5, Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there lived a poor woman who had a son named Jack. She was ill and Jack was too young to work. Almost all their belongings had been sold to buy food. There was nothing left worth selling. They had an old cow named Daisy, whom they were very fond of. One day, Jack's mother said, Jack, go to the market and sell our cow, or we shall have nothing to eat. Thus, the next day, with a heavy heart, Jack left for the market to sell their beloved Daisy. For some time, he went along very sadly, but on seeing the hustle bustle at the market, he soon recovered his spirits. He stood in a corner and started calling out, Who will buy my cow? A few farmers looked at Daisy and said, Oh, the cow is too thin and old. Jack was disappointed as no one came forward to buy his cow. However, he met a farmer at last who looked over the cow and was eager to buy it. Jack asked him, How much will you buy it for? The farmer said, I do not have any money, but I have a handful of magic beads. Would you like to exchange your cow for them? At first, Jack thought that the farmer was joking, but the farmer had a kind expression on his face. He said, These are not ordinary beans. They are the most wonderful beans that were ever known. If you plant them tonight, they will grow up by tomorrow morning and reach the sky. For some reason, Jack could not refuse the farmer, and thus he sold the cow for a handful of beans. Alas, when he got home, his mother was furious, and she screamed, You silly boy, what shall we eat tonight? Angrily, she threw the beans out of the house. Since there was no food to eat that night, both the mother and son slept hungry. Jack woke up the next morning to find his room dark. He jumped out of bed and ran to the window to see what the matter was. He observed that although the sun was shining brightly outside, but beside his bedroom window there was a giant beanstalk which seemed to reach the sky. He called out, Mother, look at this giant beanstalk. His mother came to the window and said, Of what use will this be to us? Chop it off. We can use it as firewood. But Jack did not listen to his mother's words and thought, I'll just see where it leads to. With that thought, he stepped out of the window and onto the beanstalk and began to climb upwards. He climbed higher and higher till their cottage looked a mere speck below. Now, children, let's revise the word meanings. The first new word, children, is belongings. And belongings means possessions. Belongings, possessions. Belongings, possessions. Second new word is worth. Worth of any value. Worth of any value. The third word is beloved, and beloved means dearly loved. Beloved, dearly loved. Beloved, dearly loved. The fourth word is hustle bustle. Hustle bustle means a large amount of noise and activity. Hustle bustle, a large amount of noise and activity. Children, you know, when you go to the market, you can see a lot of hustle bustle. बेटा हिंदी में जिसको हम चहल पहल बोलते हैं, तो चहल पहल को ही इंग्लिश में हसल बसल बोलते हैं. बाजार जाते हैं तो बहुत हल्ला गुल्ला होता है. Somebody is buying, somebody is selling, some vendors are shouting loudly, isn't it? So there's a lot of hustle bustle in the market. So a large amount of noise and activity. People are moving around, they are buying things, they are selling things. These are all the activities. Then children, there's a phrase also given on the same page, and the phrase is with a heavy heart. And with a heavy heart means unhappily, something which you're doing and you're not feeling happy, you're sad. That is with a heavy heart. So with a heavy heart, unhappily. Now children, the word meanings of the next page. The fourth word, children, is eager. And the fifth word is eager. And eager means excited, when you're curious to know something. So eager, excited. Eager, excited. Then the sixth word is exchange. Exchange is interchange. Exchange is interchange. Exchange is interchange. Then the seventh word is refuse. Refuse means to say no. Refuse means to say no. Then the eighth word is furious, and furious means very angry. Furious means very angry. Then there are three more phrases given on this page, children. Let's look at the meaning. The second phrase, children, is recovered his spirits. That means was happy again. Recovered his spirits, was happy again. The second phrase, children, is looked over. Looked over means looked carefully. Looked over, looked carefully. The third phrase is had a kind expression, which means looked with tenderness, looked with affection. So these were the three phrases with their meaning. Now let's look at the other new words with their meaning. The ninth new word, children, is giant. Giant means huge or very big. Giant, huge, extremely big. Huge means extremely big. So giant, huge. Giant, huge. Then the 10th word is cottage, and cottage means small house. Cottage means small house. The 11th word is mere. Mere means only. Mere means only. And children, the 12th word is speck. Speck means small mark or small piece. Small mark or small piece. Small mark or small piece. Children, please learn these word meanings and write these vowels and the word meanings in your English notebook. Now, children, I'll explain the lesson. I'd explained page number 43 in my last video. Once again, I'll explain this, and then explain the rest of the lesson. Once upon a time, there lived a poor woman who had a son named Jack. Children, once upon a time, at one time, there lived a poor woman who had a son named Jack. Who had a son named Jack. And she was ill, and Jack was too young to work. So, children, the woman, she was poor, they didn't have any money, and she had a young son whose name was Jack. The poor woman, she was ill, so she could not work, she could not earn money, and her son Jack was too young to work. बेटा वो बहुत छोटा था काम करने के लिए. छोटे बच्चे तो काम नहीं कर सकते. They cannot earn money, isn't it? So the woman was ill and her son was too young to work. Almost all their belongings had been sold to buy food. And children, because they were poor and they couldn't earn money because Jack was young and the lady or the poor woman was ill. So what they did, because every day you need money to buy food, isn't it? So what they did, they had sold away all their belongings. Belongings मतलब उनका जितना भी सामान था उन्होंने बेच दिया to buy food. There was nothing left worth selling. अब घर में बेटा ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं थी कि जो वो बेच सकते, है ना? ऐसी चीज होनी चाहिए ना जिसका कोई खरीदे, जिसकी कोई कीमत मिले, जिसकी कोई वैल्यू हो. So there was nothing left in the house which could give them money so that they could buy food. They had an old cow named Daisy whom they were very fond of. And Jack and his mother, they had an old cow. Old cow मतलब बूढ़ी गाय थी, है ना? And her name was Daisy. But mother and son both were very fond of Daisy. दोनों ही Daisy को बहुत पसंद करते थे. One day, Jack's mother said, Jack, go to the market and sell our cow or we shall have nothing to eat. So one day, Jack's mother told Jack that, Jack, since we are not having anything to eat, you go to the market and we are only left with this cow. So you go and sell this cow in the market so that we can buy some food to eat. Thus, the next day, with a heavy heart, Jack left for the market to sell their beloved Daisy. So, when mother told that, Jack, now we don't have anything left to sell, so now let's sell this cow so that we can buy food to eat. So, the next day, Jack, he was very unhappy that with the decision that now they had no other option except for selling the beloved cow Daisy. So he was very sad, but he couldn't do anything. So, with a heavy heart, very unhappily, he went to the market along with Daisy. Now he is going to the market to sell his beloved cow Daisy. For some time, he went along very sadly. Beta, on the way market, when he started to the market, तो घर से जाते समय market रास्ते में he was very sad. Why was he sad? He was sad because he was going to the market to sell his beloved cow Daisy. But on seeing the hustle bustle at the market, he soon recovered his spirits. But घर से तो he was very sad, unhappy कि अब मैं जा रहा हूँ अपनी beloved cow Daisy को बेचने market में so that I can buy food. But when he reached the market and when he saw the hustle bustle, उसने देखा कि market में बहुत चहल पहल थी, lot of activities were going on, people were shouting, people were buying, people were selling, and various activities were going on in the market. So his attention was diverted. तो उसके दिमाग में जो बेटा sadness चल रही थी कि I'm going to the market to sell Daisy, that thing went away and he was happy again that he was in the market. He stood in a corner and started calling out, who will buy my cow? And now he was in the market and He had come to the market to sell his beloved cow Daisy. So what did he do? In a corner of the market, he stood along with his cow Daisy. And then he started calling out, who will buy my cow? Meri गाय, meri cow कौन खरीदेगा? He started shouting, who will buy my cow? A few farmers looked at Daisy and said, oh, the cow is too thin and old. So some farmers, because generally farmers only keep cow, isn't it? So they came to look at Jack's cow, but when they saw the cow, they said, oh, the cow is too thin and old. Now, because they were poor, they were unable to feed the cow properly. So the cow was thin and it was old also. So the farmers looked at Daisy and said, oh, the cow is too thin and old. बहुत पतली भी है and old भी है. A few farmers, they looked at Daisy carefully and then what was their reaction? Oh, the cow is too thin and old. That means they will not purchase the old cow. Jack was disappointed as no one came forward to buy his cow. Now, what do you mean by disappointed? Sad. Because Jack thought somebody will purchase the cow from the market, then I'll have money and I'll buy some food and carry it back to my home. Now, when no one came forward, कोई आगे ही नहीं आया उसकी cow दे, और जो आए भी, they said the cow is too thin and old. है ना, ये काउ तो बहुत थिन भी है एंड ओल्ड भी है. So अब now Jack was disappointed. He was very sad that nobody is coming to buy my cow. However, he met a farmer at last who looked over the cow and was eager to buy it. But what happened after some time? Jack met a farmer who looked carefully at the cow and then he wanted to buy the cow. He was eager. He was excited to buy the cow. The farmer whom Jack met at the last. So the farmer looked at the cow, Daisy, carefully, and then he was excited to buy the cow. Jack asked him, how much will you buy it for? Now Jack had come to the market to sell the cow, so he needed money. So he asked the farmer who was interested that how much will you buy it for? Which means आप मुझे आप कितना पैसा देंगे इस cow के लिए? If you buy something, you have to give money and then take the thing, isn't it? When we go to the market, unless we give money, nobody will give us things. So Jack also asked the farmer that how much will you buy it for? आपको तो कुछ, you need to give me some money if you want my cow. The farmer said, I do not have any money, but I have a handful of magic beans. The farmer, he replied to Jack, he said, look, I don't have any money. मेरे पास पैसे तो कुछ है ही नहीं. But I have a handful of magic beans. But I have got handful बेटा कि जो एक आपकी मुट्ठी में आ जाए, है ना? आप अपनी फिस्ट बांध के मुट्ठी बनाते हो ना, तो he said I don't have any money but I have a handful of beans. Beans आप जानते हो ना, beans मम्मी कुक करती हैं, isn't it? And beans को if you sow it in the soil, after some time they will sprout and a new sapling will come out. So the farmer said, look, I don't have any money to give you in exchange for the cow, but I have a handful of magic beans. But जो beans farmer के पास थी, he said कि मेरे पास पैसे तो है नहीं, but जो beans है मेरे पास एक handful मुट्ठी भर के, they are magic beans. आपको magic पता है what is magic? जादू. but मेरे पास ये जादुई beans है, magic beans है, something magical was going to happen. Would you like to exchange your cow for them? So the farmer said, look, Jack, I don't have any. He told to Jack that I don't have any money, but I have got a handful of magic beans. And would you like to exchange your cow for them? And he said, I'll give you the magic beans, and in return of the magic beans, you give me your cow. So that was interchange. कि मैं farmer said Jack to Jack, farmer ने Jack को बोला कि मैं आपको magic beans दूंगा, and आप उसके exchange में मुझे क्या दे देंगे? Your cow. You will interchange. I'll give you the magical beans, and you give me the cow. The farmer said to Jack that he had no money, but he had a handful of magic beans. And he told Jack that he would exchange the cow for the magic beans. At first, Jack thought that the farmer was joking, but the farmer had a kind expression on his face. Beta, if anyone goes to the market, you cannot purchase anything without money. So when the farmer told Jack that he didn't have any money, rather he had only a handful of magical beans, and he would like to exchange the cow for the magical beans. So at first, Jack thought that the farmer was joking. Maybe the farmer was thinking that he's a little boy, small boy, so the farmer uh, was not willing to give money. So Jack thought that the farmer was joking. But the farmer had a kind expression on his face. But then Jack had seen the farmer's face, and he had a very kind expression on his face. And this means beta कि Jack ने उस farmer के चेहरे पे एक बहुत ही kind expression देखा था. Kind expression, दया वाले भाव. Because Jack really needed money. है ना? They didn't have anything left in the home. So not willingly, इच्छा से तो वो बेटा अपनी काव बेचने आया नहीं था, बट अगर नहीं वो काव को बेचता तो वो कुछ खा नहीं पाते. So Jack had seen the kind expression on the farmer's head. He said, these are not ordinary beans, they are the most wonderful beans that were ever known. And the farmer told Jack कि these are not ordinary beans. ये कोई ऐसी ordinary beans नहीं है. हाँ? They are the most wonderful beans. ये बहुत wonderful beans है that were ever known. जिसके बारे में शायद ही कोई जानता है. These are not ordinary beans. These are most wonderful beans and that were ever known. जो कोई जानता ही नहीं है. If you plant them tonight, they'll grow up by tomorrow morning and reach the sky. So the farmer, he told Jack, the farmer who had a kind expression on his face and who was willing to buy Jack's cow, he told Jack that these are not ordinary beans. ऐसे कोई भी ये ordinary beans नहीं है. ये बहुत special beans है, wonderful beans है, which no one knows, which no one has heard about. And if you plant these beans tonight, अगर आज रात में आप इन बीन को प्लांट कर दोगे मीन्स आप उनको जमीन में गाड़ दोगे, तो क्या होगा? They will grow by tomorrow morning and reach the sky. And because these are magical beans, और ये आप गाड़ोगे मॉर्निंग तक, ये एकदम ग्रो कर लेंगी एंड स्काई तक पहुंच जाएगी. जनरली क्या होता है जब हम कोई भी बीन्स या सीड्स को सो करते हैं ग्राउंड में, इट टेक्स टाइम, है ना? हम सो करेंगे, देन विल कीप ऑन वाटरिंग, तो आफ्टर 3-4 days small sprout will come up, then the sprout will turn into a small sapling, then the sapling will turn into plant, and gradually the plant will grow. It takes time, isn't it? But the farmer said, these are no ordinary beans. These are the most wonderful beans which were ever known. And if you plant these beans tonight, in the morning, they'll grow and they'll reach the sky. For some reason, Jack could not refuse the farmer, and thus he sold the cow for a handful of beans. Now, Jack knew that actually he had come to sell the cow in exchange of money, but the farmer was offering him magical beans in exchange of the cow. सो जनरली व्हाट हैपेंस बेटा, कोई भी छोटे बच्चों को, स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन को सोचते हैं कि बेवकूफ बना दे इफ दे गो टू द मार्केट, एट टाइम्स इट हैपेंस. सो जैक realized that this farmer is not cheating me, and he could not refuse the farmer. और जैक के मन में बेटा पता नहीं क्या आया, वो फार्मर को मना ही नहीं कर पाया. एंड जैक न्यू, जैक को पता था कि ही नीडेड मनी, उसको पैसे की बहुत जरूरत थी, बिकॉज दे हैड नथिंग लेफ्ट टू ईट. there was nothing left to eat in their homes. घर में कुछ भी उनके नहीं था खाने को. And he was in dire need of money. But in spite of knowing that, he could not refuse the farmer. वो farmer को मना ही नहीं कर पाया. And he sold the cow for a handful of beans. And जैक ने अपनी काउ उस फार्मर को, डेजी को, उस फार्मर को किसके एक्सचेंज में दे दी बेटा? For a handful of magic beans. And Jack was not aware also. जैक को तो मतलब उसने जो फार्मर ने बोला अभी वो सच में मैजिकल बीन्स है कि नहीं ये तो पता भी नहीं था. बट जैक कुड नॉट रिफ्यूज मना करना. जैक मना नहीं कर पाया फार्मर को. सो जैक को फार्मर ने क्या दिया बेटा? हैंडफुल ऑफ मैजिक बीन्स. एंड जैक ने उसके एक्सचेंज में अपनी काउ किसको दे दी? फार्मर को दे दी. तो अभी कोई भी अगर सोचेगा तो सोचेगा नहीं तो बच्चा बेवकूफ बन गया. कोई ऐसे ही बीन्स थोड़ी मैजिकल होती है कि वो ग्रो कर जाएंगी. बट ऐसा होता है एट टाइम्स. पीपल चीट चिल्ड्रन थिंकिंग दैट दे आर स्मॉल. So you all should be very careful when you go to the market, and you should ensure that nobody can cheat you, and you should know how to count and give money for the things you are buying. But due to some reason, Jack saw the kind expression on the farmer's face, so he could not refuse the farmer. And thus he sold the cow to the farmer for a handful of beans. And Jack, he gave his cow to the farmer, and in return of the cow, the farmer gave Jack a handful of beans. Handful of beans बेटा एक आपकी जो मुट्ठी में आ जाए, ठीक है. Alas, when he got home, his mother was furious and she screamed, "You silly boy, what shall we eat tonight?" And बेटा जब वो घर गया, so his mother must have asked him, "For how much did you sell the cow?" And when Jack must have told her that I have sold the cow for a handful of beans, then so his mother was furious. Furious means extremely angry. बिकॉज मदर को क्या लगा होगा कि किसी ने इस जैक को बेवकूफ बनाया, काव भी ले ली और उसके बदले में क्या पकड़ा दी? एक हैंडफुल ऑफ बीन्स. सो शी वाज एक्सट्रीमली एंग्री. एंड देन शी टोल्ड जैक कि यू सिली बॉय. सिली बॉय कि मतलब तुमको तो किसी ने फूल कर दिया, बेवकूफ बना दिया. somebody has fooled you. He has taken the cow also and has given no money. And now what shall we eat tonight? हमारे पास तो कुछ खाने को है ही नहीं, हम रात में क्या खाएंगे? If you would have sold the cow for some and you would have got money, we could have at least have something to eat in the night. Angrily, she threw the bean out of the house. And out of anger, because she was very furious, she needed money. Because now the cow had also gone and they couldn't get any money also. So she was extremely angry. बहुत गुस्से में थी. And गुस्से में what did she do? She threw the beans out of the house. उन्होंने वो beans ली और उसको घर के बाहर ऐसे फेंक दिया. Out of anger. गुस्से में उन्होंने क्या किया? Beans को फेंक दिया. Because she was extremely angry. This boy, he has made a fool of himself. He sold the cow in exchange of the beans. He did not get any money. And she thought that the farmer had fooled her son. So out of anger, she threw the beans out of the house. गुस्से में Jack's mother threw the beans out of the house. Since there was no food to eat that night, both the mother and son slept hungry. Now, because Jack couldn't get any money, instead of money, he got a handful of beans. So he couldn't buy any food. So that night, both mother and son had to sleep hungry. बेटा उस रात को दोनों माँ और बेटे को, माँ और जैक को विदाउट फूड ही सोना पड़ा. Because actually the mother had sent Jack कि आप काऊ को बेच के आओ, you get money and then we'll buy food so that we can eat something. But Jack, he sold the cow for a handful of beans, so they couldn't get any money. So Jack and his mother slept hungry after selling the cow because Jack had sold the cow for a handful of money. For a handful of beans. जैक को एक्चुअली मम्मी ने भेजा था, उसकी मदर ने, कि आप जाओ काऊ को बेचो, मनी लेके आओ एंड देन विल बी एबल टू बाय फूड. बट जैक हैड सोल्ड द काऊ फॉर अ हैंडफुल ऑफ beans. Instead of money, he bought a handful of beans. So they didn't have any food to eat. So both mother and son had to sleep hungry that night. दोनों, जैक और उसकी मदर को बेटा रात में भूखे ही सोना पड़ा. So children, this was the explanation of second page. Now I'll be continuing the story in my next video.